मुझे पता ही नहीं तो क्या डायलॉग मार रही है।
These are some buildings and like, okay. Some people are sitting right there.
तो 2 महीने पहले हम लोग को लेटर पकड़ा देगा, रिन्यू करना है ये छोड़ के जाना पहले से
Sitting there and maybe. Okay, she's gone. She's gone.
अगस्त में हम लोग को लेटर दे देगा।
Down there. Right now we're not in like the park and no kisses. Okay, so there's So guys, now we're here at the building. This is the parking. This is the weather on Sharjah. It's pretty cloudy and foggy though. Like a bit dark. There are all the buildings. This is our building. Oh no, it's raining again on mobile. Okay, we gotta run away. And guys, we're finally home. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next week.